Today I am making banana bread.
Banana bread is a quick bread that is made with some ripe bananas along with some flour, butter and some other ingredients. So guys, let's make some banana bread. So guys, here I have already mashed my ripe bananas. I have some flour here, melted butter, some vanilla flavor, just a little bit of salt, sugar, 2 eggs and some baking soda. Into the ripe bananas I have here, I'm going to add my vanilla flavor. Next, I'll add the melted butter. I'll give that a good stir. Into this, I'll add the eggs. And I'll give it a good stir. Now I'm going to set this aside while I mix my ingredients. First, I'll start with the flour. Now I'm going to add my granulated sugar, some salt, and baking soda. I'm going to give it a good stir. I'll make a well right in the center and pour in my wet ingredients. All I have to do is mix this nicely and my banana bread batter will be ready. So guys, my banana bread batter is ready. Now I'm going to transfer into a greased baking pan. Place this in a preheated oven for 30 to 35 minutes and then our banana bread will be ready. So guys, our banana bread is ready and I can't wait to have a taste of it. It looks pretty and I'm sure it's going to taste amazing. So good. Trust me guys, this banana bread is the bomb. You guys have to give it a try for sure. And if you want to play around your banana bread, be sure to add some add-ins into it like chocolate chips, chocolate chunks and a lot of other add-ins. I will be posting another video soon where I'll be showing you the add-ins, my favorite add-ins that I add to my banana bread. Until next time, I remain your favorite host Adebimpe Sadiku, aka Chef Bean. Be sure to follow us on all our social media platforms and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.